Ba Ransom Sutnga balasim yak sinjam bani mi paiba nakabanta bani khuni election jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kabanlong hau arjar arpulai naka National People Party na 17 North Shillong constituency ulo ong ba ka jingrung saka sain pyrthei kadai ka jingkhot ban sakri paiba habai keremat gilar thai kubor ba Ransom ulong bandrung sakani ka kam don kam ban smuthu bha sispa na kasispa ba kani kadai ka jingkhot ban sakri yakari bat ka jaban reu namar ban mi hapdeng jong ka kam kai pher ban mi hadien balasong thai
Kaba pelong yang bagan join syakani kekam kadai kajingkhot ban syakri kani kekam kadai kekam kaba syua ban join ru kijing keno ki babon ban join syakani kekam ngidon kam ban ngothu thikna sispa na ke sispa bakani kadai ke jingkhot ban syakri nak benta kari bat kejat benreu bat nak benta ke buram ke jong blai try kan ran pi ban mi habdeng jong kakam kaya pher bat ban mi hadin bla chong thai ban mi habdeng jong kakam phiap ban so thu sispa nak sispa bakadai ke jingkhot jong blai ban syakri kata ke jing syakri kaba ngatrang ban ai kalong ban ai ya kaba bhatam na kabanta kani ke 17 North Shillong. Yes, definitely, because right from day one, that is on the 7th of March 2022, when I put my application for my VRS, I have clearly mentioned that to grant my VRS for a purpose and to enable me to contest and to take part in my political activity. So definitely I will join, in my new adventure, and definitely I will also join. I will also want to tell you that I will join, as the NPP, National People's Party, as one of the candidate from the 17 North Shillong. So that inspires me to join NPP because there are leaders. There are leaders like Sir Conrad Sangma, then Sir Preston Tensong. These are the leaders of the party that really inspires me to join NPP, because our constituency, it's a mixed constituency, so there are many issues. Now if we discuss with regards to this constituency, number one is to maintain peace and harmony. Number two, very important point is for the safety and security of the people, and also to look especially for the youth of this constituency. There are many unemployed youth in this constituency, and the next one is also to empower the BPL family. Besides these things, there are also different issues with regards to my constituency, the 17 North Shillong, especially for the development in many areas.